Welcome back. This is your mentor, Vincent. We are looking back at the chart of Bitcoin, and right now, Bitcoin is breaking down. Remember, on the previous video, I gave two scenarios where Bitcoin can break to the upside or can break to the downside, looking at two different things and that were on the chart and what the market was telling us. We'll look at both scenarios and see the fake out that happened yesterday or last night and see what happened today. So it looks like the markets are actually crashing now. The US 30 and the Nasdaq, they are currently breaking down, and that is a very big indicator that will also lead for Bitcoin to break down. So basically, the US 30, the US markets, they are a very great indicator that actually shows you if Bitcoin is gonna break down or is gonna go up. So you see US 30 breaking down or pumping up, then you know what will happen to Bitcoin next. It's not a direct proportional, but then it's a very great indicator. So let's go to the daily so we can see exactly what's going on today with the Bitcoin. So as you can see here, there is a very big daily candle that broke out from the pattern that we've been looking at. I'll just quickly show you the pattern that I'm referring to right there. Where is you? Right there. We have this pattern that we've been looking at. It has been failing to break, and eventually Bitcoin is broke. And then yesterday we saw a fake out where we thought Bitcoin was gonna break to the upside and then failed miserably to the downside today. So I talked about it that do not risk all your money in one trade. And then now we can see here, maybe we can go to the 2 hour time frame to see exactly how things look like. So you can see here, this is actually where things happened, where Bitcoin broke to the upside. Of course, this is actually not exactly on the line, but Bitcoin closed above at this level here, and then this was a breakout. So it looks like this is the same fake out that has happened here, and together they are forming a new resistance up there. So this is what happened, guys. And then I have asked everyone to put their stop loss at this level should Bitcoin come back, and it happened just as predicted, that Bitcoin came down and broke our our stop loss and took us out. And then I also mentioned that should Bitcoin break and take us out at this level at the 38,400, we must also wait for 37,000. And should Bitcoin break the 37,000, as soon we can take a trade to the downside. Remember, the trend is our friend. We only trade the trend. So basically, this is what has happened. At this point, Bitcoin is currently breaking to the downside. I am not sure if we are going to be seeing a fake out, a double fake out, where Bitcoin will actually return back and into this area again. But we've been in this channel for a while now, and it is possible that Bitcoin is breaking to the downside now. Another scenario that I can actually show you that could be taking place right now, I will go back to the 4 hourly time frame, you guys, and let us let's see, zoom out and look at the channel that we're talking about for most of the time. And this is the channel that I'm referring to. Put some trend lines here. Okay, good. We'll put this, maybe we can increase the pixels so it is visible. You see this line here, we can clone it so we can have another one at the bottom right here, right there. So as you can see, Bitcoin has broke out of this big channel. And if you go back to my video, I talked about this channel, that if we fail to go to the upside, we might break down. Why? Because you can see, if we zoom out some more, let me go to the daily so you can see properly the structure that I'm talking about, that this is actually a bearish flag. When you remove this one, then you can see the bearish flag properly. So right there, as you can see, the market went down and consolidated like this, and now is breaking to the downside. So currently we are looking at 28,000 as the target, but this actually can go a lot more, equal to this triangle. You can see, I mean, this rectangle, that could actually go a lot more down, more than 28,000, but 28,000 should be the target, because then that's where we forming a treble bottom. So we can see for many years Bitcoin will always come to this level and 10. So this level has been a key area. So we're also thinking structure will also be respected. Of course, if Bitcoin was to break this level, well, then we will be going to the previous lows, where Bitcoin will be coming here. If we break that, there's nothing else that stops Bitcoin from reaching these levels here, and that is around $10,000, $12,000, which is very unlikely, because there is very big institutions right now that are actually buying Bitcoin or are investing in Bitcoin. So that's why it's actually very likely that even this could be a fake out. So, but right now we are selling and holding for some people who are looking for targets. And the first target now, it could be this level here, which is around 33,000, and then the second target could be the 18,000. So you can take profit on the 33,000 and also on the 29 or 28,000. So it's all up to you how you plan to do this. But otherwise, right now it's very clear that Bitcoin is currently breaking to the downside. It's a very clear breakdown. So, and since we are breakout traders, so this is what we actually trade. So this big move here that you see, all this, Bitcoin is likely to move the same equal move down here, which will be right here at 29,000. So if you see Bitcoin trying to move backwards a bit, do not panic, just hold, and then Bitcoin will be going down on the next daily candle. And from there, we'll have to see where everything goes. Well, that is all I have to share today. And if you enjoying this content, please press the like button, click the subscribe, subscribe and join this community so we can keep sharing this information about trading Bitcoin. And I'll be sharing more videos about gold and the US 30 and the Nasdaq stocks and where to anticipate price. And probably we will look at some Ethereum and XRP in the future. But for right now, I'm actually trading the Bitcoin. I see that's an interesting time for Bitcoin, and we could be making a killing with it. And without wasting time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.